Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not connecting on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve not connecting on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.